kiddos, I'm going to teach you how to play a game that you can play all by yourself during our Math by Myself time called Making 10 Pyramid. So all you're going to need is your deck of cards that you took home in your math tool bag. You get all of your cards out. And I want you to go ahead and take out the kings, the queens, and the jacks. All right, now that you've taken out the kings, the queens, and the jacks, you have the rest of your deck. We're gonna go ahead and make a pyramid, and I'll show you how to do that. You're gonna go ahead and start at the top, and you're gonna flip your card over and make the top of the pyramid. And then I'm gonna lay my cards down. I have one at the top, so then I'll have 2, and then 3, 4, 5, and I'm overlapping them just a little bit each time. 6, 7. I'm going to have you stop right there. I have 7 rows. All right. So remember, the name of the game was Making 10 Pyramid. I still have some cards left in my hand, but I want to be looking at my numbers on the bottom row so I can make a 10. Now I can't grab a card from the bottom row and something from the middle. It has to be cards that are on the top, not buried underneath another card. So I'm making 10 right away. I have a 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. So I'm going to go ahead and collect that and put it in my discard pile. I also have a 6 and a 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. There's another match. Whoops. Okay, now you can tell that I've kind of freed up my second row. I still can't take that 9 because it's buried under the 8, but I could grab this 10 and put it in my discard pile. I also have 7 plus 3 on my bottom row to make 10. So if you look at my bottom row, I still have an 8 and an ace. I have a 6 that's available. I can't use that 9 because the 8 is locking it down, but I do have this 9, so I have my ace and my 9. I'm going to keep looking for different ways to make 10. Oh, I see 6, and I could match it with this 4, or I could match it with this 4. I'm not sure which one's a better fit, but I'll just go ahead and do this one. Now I have 8. I know that 8 and 2 is 10, so maybe I'll make this a 3-card grab. 8 and 1 is 9, and 1 more is 10. So you just keep on playing until you get your cards picked up from your pyramid. 6 plus 4. Now I'm stuck. 9 plus 1, and I don't have an ace available. 3 plus 7 equals 10, and I don't have a 7. So this is where that other pile comes in play. Go ahead and draw cards from this pile until you can find something that'll work. I'm looking for a 1 or a 7. And if I don't find one, oh well, maybe I can just start over. There's a 1. Match it with the 9. Put it in my discard pile, and I'm stuck again. Go ahead and keep drawing. I'm looking now for a 2, a 1, or a 7. There's a 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. Now I'm looking for a 1 and a 7. I'm almost out of cards. It's an 8, so game over. I guess I'll have to collect all my cards and start over. This would be kind of fun to see if you can get your pyramid completed. Have fun.